mentally recorded. People who miss can see it later. Nirvinna separated. Atalu palette, Varunaha, the deity controlling water, Lokapala, director of the planet, Avishat entered, Hare of the Lord, Jivaya, Amshena with the part of the tongue, Cha also, Rasam taste, Eya by which Asau, the living entity, Pratipadyate expresses. When the palette of the gigantic form was separately manifested, the Varuna, the director of water in the planet, is to enter therein, and thus the living entity has the affinity, has the facility to taste everything with his tongue. So overall idea is that everything finally, first the Lord does, then we get the facility. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashad Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So everything the Lord does, then we do. Even when we see, first the Lord sees, then the soul gets the facility to see. So in everything finally is we are dependent on the Lord. The Lord wants to taste, so he arranges all the arrangement for tasting, the tongue and the rasas, everything. In that way, Virat Purusha is representing the Lord's will. Nirbhinne avishano nase Vishnu avishatam padam Granena amshena gandhasya pratipatir yato mavet. Thus being separated, Ashwinao, the dual Ashwini, Nase of the two nostrils, Vishnu of the Lord, Avishatam, entering, Padam, post, Granena, Amshena, by partially smelling, Gandhasya, aroma, Pratipatihi, experience, Yatataha, whereupon Bhavet becomes. When the Lord's two nostrils separately manifested themselves, the dual Ashwini Kumaras entered them in their proper position, and because this a living entity can smell the aromas of everything. So everything yesterday we discussed, there is a material facility and there is Devata controlling and we the experiencer. Nirbhane akshini tvashta lokapala vishad vibhoho chakshisham shena rupana pratipattiryato bhave. Nirbhane, thus being separated, akshini, the eye, tvashta, the sun, lokapala, the director of the light, avishat, entered, vibho, of the great, Chakshusha amshena, by the part of the eyesight, rupa nam, of the form, pratipatihi, experience, yataha, by which bhavet becomes. Thereafter, two eyes of the gigantic form of the Lord were separately manifested. The sun and the director life entered them with the partial representation eyesight, and thus the living entity have vision of the forms. So even in a seeing we are dependent. It's the will of the Lord, this manifestation, the eyes, and when you want to see something, you need light also to see. Krishna arranges everything. Not only gives you eyes, he gives you light. What is the use of giving you eyes but not give light? So Krishna makes complete arrangement. Niribhanna ani asya charmami lokapalo alo avishat prahanena amshena samsparsham yena sau pratipadyate. Nirbhannani, being separated asya of the gigantic form, charmami, the skin, lokapala, the direct anila, the air, avishat entered, pranena amshena, the part of the breathings, some parshanam, touch, yena, by which aso, the living entity, pratipadyate, can experience. When the manifested skin separated from the gigantic form, anila, the deity directing the wind, entered with the partial touch, the living entity can realize tactile knowledge. So much details of arrangement for everything. Karnav asya vinirभिन्नौ dhishnyam swam vivisho deshaha shrutena amshena shabdasya siddhim yena pratipadyate. Karnav, the ears, asya, the gigantic form, vinirभिन्नौ, being thus separated, dhishnyam, the controlling deity, swam, own, vivishu, entered, disha, of the direction, shrutena amshena, with the hearing principles, shabdasya, of the sound, siddhim, perfection, yena, by which Prabhupada experience. When the ears of the gigantic form become manifested, all the contributing, all direction enter into them with the hearing principle by which all the living entities can hear and take advantage of the sound. Very important. When the ears of the gigantic form become manifested, all the controlling data of the direction enter into them with the hearing principle by which all the living entities can hear and take advantage of the sound. Hare Krishna, read. Vinita Madhavi.
The ear is the most important instrument in the body of living entity. Sound is the most important medium for carrying the message of distant and unknown things. The perfection of all sound or knowledge enters through the ear and makes one's life perfect. The entire Vedic system of knowledge is received by oral reception only, and thus sound is the most important source of knowledge.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saras Gauravai Acharya Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Desha Taharini Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabho Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So Shravan. So most important principle is here. Shastra says, Lavamatar sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hoye. Little of association from a devotee can make your life perfect. And our objective of life is to hear. Prabhupada says the weakness is to see. Modern day science is to see. And Vedas is to hear. That's a difference, big difference. So hearing is a principle of spiritual life. Before you make any conclusion, first you should patiently hear. Everybody wants to be independently thoughtful. But how can you be independently thoughtful without having proper knowledge in a subject? When you have proper knowledge in a subject, you can have your discretion. This is good, this is bad. When you do not have that knowledge, how can you have the discretion? So you have to hear. You go to college and you hear. Then you can become an engineer, you can become a doctor. Just by the principle of hearing, it is so important. Shruti, the Vedas, they give a Shruti. And previously the mind was so pure, people cannot forget. They hear once, they remember for life. Just like I tell you 3, can you note down? You say, no. No need to note down, I'll remember. Similarly, when the mental capacity is more, you'll remember 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. There are some people who do that. There's a Shruti Dhara. They hear and they remember. But it takes little time to have that level of purity. Okay? So more the mind is pure, more the memory increases. And Shruti. Prabhupada says in the first canto of Bhagavatam, in fact, Bhagavatam says that if somebody can submissively hear this message, he can reach the lotus feet of Krishna. Then Prabhupada says to submissively hear word by word what Krishna says, your mind should be peaceful. For mind to be peaceful, then mind should be very pure. For mind to be pure, my activity should be pure. For activities to be pure, I should not touch these 4 things grossly or subtly. No intoxication, don't do. Why do you intoxicate yourself? Already we are intoxicated. We are thinking we are the body, which is not true. And you want to increase the intoxication? Doesn't make sense. The next thing is Gambling, don't gambling, gaming, all is same nonsense. Why you want to waste your time? Frivolous sports, gaming, gambling. And then next, what happened? What happened? What happened? This is all gambling. Even reading newspaper came in the mood of gambling. What happened? What happened? Is it a gambling match or what? What happened? Krishna is in control, is peaceful. Do your job. So, illicit sex, relation outside marriage, and that he can do by watching nonsense movies, videos, watching nonsense photos, whole day. Beautiful women. What is there beautiful in this world? So, intoxication, illicit, and meat. Isn't there enough vegetables to eat? Where is an excuse for you? And so delicious that we cannot even eat. Sometimes temples like Janmashtami now, we will offer thousands of dishes to the Lord. Can you eat all that? You cannot eat that. So we cannot even eat. And as you're growing older, it's difficult to even eat much. Can you only digest little? So these four regulative principles, when they are strictly followed, then the mind becomes calm. When the mind becomes calm, then you can actually hear. Hearing is not easy. Because if you can hear, you can achieve Krishna consciousness. But the problem is we cannot hear. The mind will not allow you to hear. It is like throbbing. Prabhupada says our condition in this world is like you take fish out of water and throw on the land. Throbbing. Chatpatate na, Hindi is a chatpatana. We are throbbing for life. So in this condition of throbbing and so much anxiety, how do we hear? So therefore, even to hear, there is Purasharya. There are 4 or 5 things. Adam mittam amanityam. We should be free from pride. We should be very simple and straightforward. We should not ahimsa, do not keep pain to any other living entity. Such a gentleman when we are, then we can hear. We need some qualification to even hear. We should understand how dangerous position I am in. Then I'll hear. If I know I'm in danger, somebody is giving some information how to get out of danger, then you will hear. Otherwise, why will we hear? We are not interested to hear. We are interested to be just everybody interested to speak. Hearing is not easy. In fact, the taste for hearing Bhagavatam, we said so many times, is the proof of spiritual advancement. Dharmasanushyatapam saha vikshakshena kataso yaha na utpadiradirati shram evihi kevalam. I followed Dharma for so many years, but I do not have taste for hearing about the Lord. That's very dangerous. The waste of time. Shami evi kevalam. So whatever religious practices I do, if they do not inculcate within me the taste to hear of the Lord's holy name as Shastra, then I'm not making any spiritual progress. We should introspect and check ourselves. When I get free for some time, what do? Read newspaper or I read Gita? I read Gita. Yes, you're advancing. You have taste. I want to read more. I want to read more. The taste should be there. And the Prabhupada says the effective devotee's mind is softened by the chanting of the Maha Mantra. What is that? Mind is softened by the chanting. Then it is great benefit, great pleasure. So hearing is the first important in spiritual life. If the proper hearing is there, then the rest will follow. Now with the bhakti, the first is Shavadam. If the Shavadam is good, then Kirtana will be there. If you hear properly, then you will speak one day. Somebody who has not properly heard, Prabhupada says, used to read my book 6 times. So once somebody has not read Prabhupada books and he's explaining, he'll make mistake. It's not academic. There is so many things that is there. So you'll not be able to, otherwise, Avaishnava Mukho Gita Puta Harikata Amritam Shavanam Naiva Kartavyam Sarpochista Payo Rataha. Don't hear from a Vaishnava. It's not good for you. It will act like a poison to hear from a devotee. So therefore, we should make our task in life to hear the Shastra in association of devotees attentively, and a life is made. We'll go back to Krishna just by the process of hearing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how he inaugurate process? Just in Harinama Sankirtan and public. People are hearing, chanting, chanting. And they became perfect spiritually, went back to God. That's the whole process. Attentively hear. Once you hear, you chant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada tunes are so special. Take a Prabhupada chanting with so much heart, just hear. And once you hear, then you repeat. Correct? So we have to just not that yagnarthat karmanu yatra, whatever we do, we have to do for Krishna's pleasure. So brahmachari, it is said in the 4th chapter, is sacrifice the hearing process to achieve the Lord. So it doesn't hear anything except the glorification of the Lord. You achieve success. I was telling that example in the Bhagavatam, very famous example, that the sages are hearing about the Parikshit Maharaj punishing Kalipurusha because he was almost about to kill a cow and a bull. And Parikshit Maharaj appeared and he said that wait a minute, all of you, now I'm going to give death penalty to you people because you are disturbing the cow and a bull. So proper right in the Shaunaga rishis were hearing the narration say, if this narration and anything to do about Krishna, then only speak. Otherwise, we are not interested. Why waste a valuable moment? Both by rising and setting, the sun takes away life of every living entity. We don't want to waste one moment. We want to just hear. So please bless us. Okay? So that should be attitude. Every day, give time for hearing. Hearing is empowering. This is the different segments of my life. Certain things are emergencies, certain are disturbance, and third one is waste. First one is emergency, second one is interruption, third one is waste, and the fourth, the most important quadrant, important, not urgent, is empowerment. And by hearing from the Acharya, we get empowered. Okay, so it's nothing to save an excuse, no excuses. Kindly attentively hear the Acharya every day. You will feel in the heart how great he is. Sometimes the people say, why don't you put big posts to the Prabhupada, Acharya, Prabhupada, the great Acharya? No, you don't need that. Prabhupada, let them read my book. They will know how, they will be able to appreciate. So anybody who is sincere, if you read Prabhupada books, he finds so much wealth of information for spiritual advancement, and he'll follow that. Okay, so these are all very nicely done. So hearing is a very important principle, and Krishna has given us ears to hear about him. He has not given you the ears to hear radio commentary or Olympic commentary. He's not given ears. The ears have primarily been given to hear the name of Krishna. So constantly, please chant the holy name of the Lord. Don't waste one moment. Constantly, whatever little time you get, some of you go to office also, and then this work, then that work, then cooking, then taking rest, all your time is gone. But I could not serve Krishna, correct? Pray to Krishna. Just like Srila Prabhupada was at home, and he wrote to his Guru, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, what do I do, my dear spiritual master? How do I serve you? There's so many people are living in the temple, what an opportunity I'm having. But how do I serve you? Please guide me. And Prabhupada gives him Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada writes a letter to Prabhupada that whatever you know, if you try to teach the people, you try to teach the English-speaking people, it'll be good for you and for them who are hearing. And Prabhupada took it as a message and order. And he made a mission of his life to accomplish the order of the Acharya. Therefore, everything became wonderful. So hearing, you get an order from the Acharya. Hearing, you get inspiration. You get an idea, you get role models. And because the hearing is done of spiritual sound vibration, the very hearing gives you realization and purification of the heart. Okay, so very important element of hearing. Yesterday also we talked another aspect today. Hearing should be done about no gramakata. Gramakata means talk about the village. You know, it is like that person like that person. And Krishna Katha means narration about Krishna. So we should know everything, something of everything and everything of something, let it be the holy name and Krishna. Something, everything you know, but that should not take all your time. There is no limit to the curiosity. What information I could do something about, that information I should have. That's it. There is no need to get more information. It doesn't benefit me. It takes my valuable time. So kindly everybody cultivate the hearing process. Keep every day some time for hearing. You should mark. And that's empowering. What happens when you hear? First, you get beautiful culture, Vedic culture here. We can all appreciate every day. Oh, so we are so privileged to be part of this great culture because Vedas are nothing but Vedic culture at its purity. And you hear about Bhagavatam, oh, people are so nice. You get so many role models, you get so much inspiration. And not only that, we develop intelligence. We're hearing an Acharya guides us what we should do in our life. Prabhupada said, I wrote these books for you all to become more intelligent. We are actually Krishna ye bhaje se bada chatura. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says somebody worships Krishna is very intelligent. Okay, so but hearing will make it clear. Therefore, in every temple, morning and evening, there is opportunity to hear. We sit and hear. And as we hear, we make tremendous spiritual advancement. Okay, and life becomes more and more perfect. That is what is meant here. Hare Krishna. Any questions anybody has?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Something before you go, something before you go. One opportunity is there. Before you get it officially, I am giving you something. What is that? Yes. Your Abhisheka Jhulan Seva. Somebody wants, can immediately study that. You click on these two links, t.ly/Jhulan, t.ly/Abhisheka. It will take you. We are making posters now. It will come. Janmashtami Sevas. So anybody wants can book right away. Okay. Yes, Mataji. What is the question?
Yes. Well, Prabhuji, about the hearing, see, first person to hear example, a good example is Vedavyasa, who heard the whole of Bhagavad Gita in the Kurukshetra, during the Kurukshetra war and recorded in his mind. And about another example is Devahuti, who heard Kapila Muni.
Very nice. Okay. Prabhupada says, don't accept a guru if you don't have no desire to hear. For those information, so people do not know, this Wednesday we started initiation course. I will allow one day late. You can join next Wednesday also. It's a 3-month course. First you go under shelter, and you will go under course of disciple course. Understand what is Guru Tattva in ISKCON as it implemented, appreciate. Then after that, I'll fine tune you for 3 more months, because anyway, if you take shelter, you cannot immediately get Diksha. You have to have 3 months wait. I'll fine tune you. We'll train you other things about Krishna consciousness and initiation. Okay? Because there is a big Vaiva. They will ask you everything. So I have to see everything is known to you.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Prabhuji,
Which is the
Prabhuji,
link
have
for that, Prabhuji?
some questions I've got, Prabhuji.
See, it is same as the link is same as my normal classes. Nama ADZ. AD. Nama ADZ. Uske baad. t.ly/Nama AD. You all know that my link, all classes.
Yeah.
So that is on Wednesday, morning 6 or night 8. So at least because so many of them are teachers and admins who are doing classes. So at least one of the time they will be free. Okay? Join any one of them. Okay?
Prabhuji, I have got some questions, Prabhuji. In the second canto, there's mention of so many incarnations: Avesha incarnation, Vibhuti incarnation, direct, indirect, empowered, all those and factual forms. Little confusion about that, Prabhuji.
Read Chaitanya Charitamrita. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained the Sanatana Goswami different kind of incarnation.
Adi Lila, Prabhuji. Adi Lila. In which part does it come? Adi, Madhya.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu talked to Sanatana Goswami. Okay?
Sanatana Goswami, yeah. And what is the material
Krishna Prabhu,
conception
what
of the
is the
Lord?
link for the initiation course?
See, Nama ADZ. ADZ.
And what is the time?
Morning
Time,
6
what is the time?
Morning 6 or night 8. Okay? Whichever is convenient.
Wednesdays. Only Wednesdays.
Only Wednesday. Okay? Other days are given now. Classes are going on. Okay?
Okay, so advanced course link it is Namads.
Nama ADZ. AD for advanced, Z for Zoom.
DZ.
Okay?
It was for advanced course. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, same my advanced class.
Prabhuji, material conception of the Lord, Prabhuji.
Huh?
Material conception of the Lord.
Material conception of the Lord. Most of the people have material conception on it. They think in a material terms about the Lord. Anna?
That he is just like us. We compare him with
Keep reading. What happens? Prabhupada says something, you just keep reading. You'll understand. 1 time you read, 2 times you read. Okay? Prabhupada says, suppose you're reading a purport, you don't understand. Read it once, twice, thrice. Same purport. You get idea.
Okay. Yes. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Manisha Pal ji, हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, the hearing thought was, and I just want to know that in case if abhi bhi aap could hear some loudspeaker from my
नहीं
end.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम, कुछ मनीषा जी कुछ
हाँ,
कुछ कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम आपका ऑडियो
अब
पर.
मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं सर? हेलो,
हाँ बोलिए.
अभी अभी मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
अभी आ रही है, बोलिए. हाँ
Okay,
क्लियर.
okay, okay. Actually, I just want to know that many times we have such sounds that let's say marriages ka, parties ka, because in case if you have a house nearby, something, or abhi say we have a temple nearby, so morning mein to he doesn't know what he's playing. Sometimes to ajeeb ajeeb se songs abhi aaj, and it's a Shiv temple actually. So now today is a Shivratri. So in the morning, sometimes for the last 2-3 weeks, he has been playing. Oh my God, it's such a वो जो कांवड़ वाले जो songs होते हैं, and it's sometimes very, very, very अजीब सा. So मुझे I just wanted to know कि एक ऐसा converter हो हमारे mind में, ठीक है, chanting is one of the converter that I thought of कि इतना अपने mind को conditioned कर दो chanting से कि जो भी तुम्हारे उससे मतलब उससे ट्रांसफर हो एंड इट कम्स टू हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम या तो वो कन्वर्ट हो जाए उस तरह से.
क्या आप इंजीनियर है क्या आप? हैं?
नहीं, for sometimes I have studied engineering, so for some years.
कान में रुई डाल ले. क्या करे? कान में रुई डाल ले.
Hearing it, अब जैसे this goes every.
नहीं देखो क्या होता है माता जी. नहीं क्या होता है आपके पास है हेडफोन है ना, हेडफोन डाल के वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लीजिए.
तो वो मेरा कान में हेडफोन है, डजंट वर्क, तो मैं हेडफोन तो यूज ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ बिकॉज डजंट सूट्स मी.
ठीक है, व्हाट टू डू माता जी? वी हैव टू लिव इन दिस वर्ल्ड. ठीक है ना, वी हैव टू लिव इन द वर्ल्ड एंड कृष्णा इज टेस्टिंग यू. यू वांट दिस? नो.
Exactly.
So every time you reject that, you have to make spiritual advancement. Every time you reject, you make spiritual advancement.
अच्छा, okay.
You say one friend comes to you and he says, movie chalega. He says, नहीं मैं गीता पढ़ रही हूँ. You make spiritual advancement. Every time you choose a proper, है ना? So the sounds are testing you. So you choose and pray to the Lord that Krishna, please save me from this nonsense sound. Krishna will do something.
Means I have to pray. The main thing I got. अभी आपका क्लास में मैं decide कर रही थी. पहले तो I decided कि not to ask you कि let me see how much I can do it. But then let me ask.
Yeah,
आपका perception कैसा है?
Anyway, anybody has any other way to solve this situation, but this comes sometimes. We are surrounded by society, and when we are in the Sangha of Asat people, they make the life. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says Sangha of Asat people is like you are locked in a cage. Okay, you're locked in a cage, and cage is thrown in fire. That much suffocation we feel when we are with Asat people, who have no interest in spiritual life, who have no interest to go back to Godhead. In their association, they feel like what? Like cage thrown into the fire. We should feel like that.
Okay. Good.
घृणा होता है क्या है ये सब? Actually क्या होता है? More you taste Krishna consciousness, bhakti pareshanubhava, virakti will develop. Okay? Suppose somebody switches on a TV in front of you, movie. क्या है ये सब? But that will develop when spiritual taste has come. Spiritual taste is not there. See, appetite should not be there, correct? Because what are the emotions and all that movies and all tamasic, rasic? No, you want to taste Krishna. Pibata bhagata rasamalayam aho muho rasika bhuvi bhav kaha. You want to drink the Bhagavad Rasa, the love of Krishna, you want to drink. This is nonsense, no? So when you have a higher taste, you should be able to give up lower taste. When you do not have a higher taste, you get attracted to the lower taste.
Okay, good.
Okay?
Yeah, it's testing, and we have to just work out with ourselves. Actually, no, this is important. Yeah. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Ram, Hare Hare.
Yes, Uchel, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
बोलिए.
Prabhuji, I'm in Bangalore. Is there any service that I can do during Janmashtami? Like
I tell you, no, we are doing online. Whole festival we are doing online. Because 27th and 29th, I became little relaxed. 8 devotees got sick by corona. Krishna's grace, they recover. We cannot take another chance. है ना? It's a warning by
Yes,
Krishna. Be sick, be serious. We will be serious now. More strict we have become because you have to protect the sevas, है ना, to the law.
Yes,
So
Prabhuji.
now Janmashtami means 29th and 30th. 2 days we are organizing. Okay, online. I will tell you something we can always do. Okay, na?
Yes,
There are
Prabhuji.
there are admins needed for managing everything. है ना? We can do.
So, Prabhuji, one thing to ask, like, if we want, we can come offline just to take darshan, like, darshan and all.
I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you.
Okay, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Presently, no, because already accident happened. But
Yes,
let us
Prabhuji, I
see
can understand.
how situation improves in 15 days time. See, one person would have got infected, whole temple got infected. When
Yes, Prabhuji.
online, when epidemic is there, better to keep safe. See, God forbid,
Yes,
nothing
Prabhuji.
happened. Just imagine something would have happened. Even my festival would have been cancelled. Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Somebody is feeling, breathing, and wow, just one little thing. When we can manage without that in such an emergency, it's good. Okay? No need to take risk.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Last time also we did Janmashtami online. It was too good. It was better than our offline festival because what happened? Offline, we had 10,000 people. You stand in queue. You have to park your car, somewhere, and then we have to do a TMI hall every year. Then you will come in a queue. The 10,000 people, so 1,000 people. Then take so much hours for darshan. Then to sit in here everything is online. Aram at home, you're sitting on a chair and you can join. It has its own advantage.
Yes, Prabhuji, I can understand.
And
Okay,
security
Prabhuji.
and safety for everybody.
Yes,
For
Prabhuji.
you also safety, correct? Anybody can get.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Chalo, so we end. Okay, so kindly keep chanting, chant more, become wonderful devotees. Read Bhagavad Gita, read Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Vancha,
Prabhuji.
vancha kalpatarubhasya kripa sindhuva eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnava namo namah.